Morning, it's Monday. I cannot believe we are in our second week of doing online teaching. Anyway, let's have a look at the lineup for the day and let's see how the week pans out. So we're going to start our Monday morning off with some Smart Kids, and we're going to do page 9. So if you have a look here, this is page 9. It's all about rhyming words, rhyming rod. All right, it says Rod the Rat loves his words to rhyme. Can you help him? Write one of these rhyming words in each space. So these words in the word bank, you're going to fill in the space below. It must be appropriate for the sentence. So in other words, if you, he will get ill if he runs up the, and remember it's all about rhyming words, so you have to choose the word that rhymes. And then for the second section, you are going to match the 3 rhyming words, draw lines to connect them. Do they all look the same too? All right, so you're going to match the columns, and you're matching 3 columns. So, for example, you've got hold, and the word that rhymes with hold in this column is mold, and you're going to match it up to fold. Now, if you have a look at this question, do they all look the same? Well, not entirely, because hold and mold don't exactly look the same. They rhyme, they have the same sound, but in terms of spelling, they are not the same. All right, so very often rhyming words are not written with the same sound, but when you actually say it, they do rhyme. All right, so complete that page. And then we're going to go on to build your brain power. We're doing page 20. Again, it's measurement. All right, you don't have to use your ruler this time, all right, because they give you the measurement here on the side. It's kind of almost like a bar graph in a way. So you're going to tell us what all these different animals measure using the amounts that they've got on the side here. And it says here, write each animal's name and height, and you're going to write from the shortest to the tallest, so that's quite important. Okay, so if you have a look here, the shortest one they've done for you, it's number 1, it's the mouse, and the mouse is 15 centimeters, you can see. All right, he's if you put a ruler there on top of his head, it will go in between 10 and 20. All right, so we know the number in between 10 and 20 is 15. So he is 15 centimeters. Again, just like we did with the wacky worms, do this top part here first. We will check your answers. And once we know that you're on track there, then you can go ahead and answer the rest. But we first need to make sure all these measurements and answers are right. Otherwise, if they're not, everything else will be wrong. All right, so we'll do it in the same way as we did the wacky worms. All right, then moving on, we are starting subtraction this week, and we're going to do methods of subtraction. Just like we did methods of addition last week, we are going to do methods of subtraction. All right, there will be a video. It's very important to watch those videos and understand how to do those sums, and there will be sums to do in our hardcover book, and as well as Prac Maths. Okay, so Prac Maths, we're doing page 11, number 8. Let me turn there. All right, so page 11, number 8, and we're going to do BC. So if you have a look here, it's page 11, and this is number 8. So it's the sums at the bottom. All right, so it's BC. And it carries on page 12, D, E, and F. So if I have a look here, if I turn the page to page 12, it's the 3 sums at the top. And you will see we're going to start off with the arrow method for subtraction. All right, once we've done Prac Maths, we will do clunker. Okay, we're going to be doing the ear clunk this week. And we'll do that in our hardcover books. And these words will form part of our spelwoorde for our spell tuts on Friday. After that, I'm going to do a short video as an introduction to our next theme, which is rights and responsibilities. So please make sure that you watch that video. And then you're going to do another theme page in your hardcover life skills book, just like you did for public safety. So we're going to do another theme page in our life skills book. And for that, if your parents are able to print it, I can give you this theme cover, and they can print it out. You can color it in and stick it in your book. Otherwise, if they are not able to print it, then you can just do your own drawing about rights and responsibilities. All right, and when I talk about it, when you watch the introduction to the theme, you'll understand it better. All right, so that is going to be our next theme. And then the last thing we are going to do will be, it's just carrying on with rights and responsibilities. It's going to be in top class, and it's page 14. All right, so this is the Children's Bill of Rights. Okay, it's one of those matching by color exercises. But again, after you've watched the video, you will understand better as to how to match the rights and the responsibilities together. All right, so that's it for today. Let's see how the day goes.